Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to continue exercise 4.4. Now the next topic is LCM of the. We have to find the LCM. LCM solutions or find the LCM of these two polynomials 9a square minus b minus b 6a square plus 2a. Now solution, first we factorize the basic method of factorize, because we can observe that there is b is common between them. Take out b, 9a square minus 1. Now we have to make it take the square root of it, will be 3a square, and on 1 you can take any power you can take. Now we have a difference of square formula. This is a square minus b square a plus minus b. This is your formula. Now we will use this formula in this exercise many times. So putting this value, you will get answer a plus b and a minus b. So our answer is 3a minus 1 and 3a plus 1. This is our answer. Now the second part, 6a square plus 2a is equal to, taking 2a common, is 3a plus. Now you can see that 3a plus 1 in first part and 3a plus 1 in the second part. In both parts we have a common. This 3a plus and this 3a plus is common. So our LCM will be, this is our HCF. Now what are the remaining terms? We have 3 minus a and 2a and b. Now take common term only one time. You have to take 3a plus 1. This is your common term. Now common term you have to take one times, and other terms, remaining terms, 3a minus 1 and b and 2a, take all other terms. This is your LCM. So LCM is basically, you can say, multiply HCF multiply the remaining portions. Now question 10, we have 2 p q minus q minus p square, and this. Now first we will take the first one. Now first one, it says this is p square. Now factorizing it, we will take p q common. So p is out, we have p square, and pq all are outside, we will take 1, p square minus 1. Now again using the square formula, what do you say? Formula square, already you told, formula says this is your a square minus b is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So we will take the formula, and formula will give you the answer. Simply a square minus b square, answer will be, now you have p square and minus 1, so p minus 1 and p plus 1. Now in this they are all in multiplication. So what we will do, if they are in multiplication, you can see that it is a p square and q square. So multiply it, p cube and q square, and 3 will give you 3 power and q power will be 5. Now write it 5. So 5 is in power. So 5 is no 5, and this is your 3 will be cancelled. Now you have this, because this is, they are just multiplying, there is no minus or plus, then you cannot take common. Now what is common between them? This is pq, and you have at least one pq, and this is pq, p minus 1 and p plus 1. Now common is p plus 1, no, and only pq is common, so take pq only. Now pq you have took, now the remaining pq's are what? P minus 1, p plus 1, and how many you have to take p square? Pq is common, so remaining p, there will be 1, and power 3 means 1 you have taken, so this will be your power 4. So this is your answer. Sorry, power 4. So this is your answer. It means you have to take common one time, and then you have to take the remaining left. PQ is only one time is common, but we have remaining p here, and one PQ is gone, and the other p is you have taken common the PQ, and other P1 remains, and P5 means what? Any P's you have all P's, that is actually you have at least one P is common and one P left, and q is common, and then you will again have 5, sorry, not 4, 5, you have all 5 power. So this is your LCM. Now next question 11, there are two terms, take common 4x square minus y, taking y common 4x square minus 1, and now again a square minus, take the square root of 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. So the second term, take common x is x plus 1. So this is your common, take it out, and the uncommon 2x minus 1 and x and y. So you have to take all factors simply, that's the only. Now we have three terms. Now to take in middle term, breaking, your factor will be 3x and 2, and you will get 3x minus 2. Now x square plus 2 gives you x minus x plus 2, x square minus 4 will give you this. Now LCM will be, there will be common x minus 3 in 2, you will take only one times. Remember that if there is common x minus 3 here and x minus 3 is here, you will take one time x plus 2, and x plus 2 you will take one times, and x minus 1 also one time. If there is a common between 2, you can also take it one times. Now again question number 3, m power 6, and again we will use this formula, your a square minus b square formula, difference of square formula, that is give you the formula. This is your formula, we will use this formula again, and this exercise will go to m6, we will break what, 2 into 3, that is you will take inside 2 and outside 3, inside 3 and 2 outside. So your answer will be m cube plus 1 or m cube. I can make it if you like. You can make it power. Now you can make it 3 inside and bracket and 2 outside. You can break it like this. Now I have to put in up, and this will be your 2. So you can easily break by a square minus by a b square formula. So this is a square minus. Now m3 plus 1, m minus 3 plus, now you know the cube formula, m cube minus 1, a m minus 1, m square plus m plus 1, and the cube formula of m cube plus 1, m plus 1, m square minus m plus 1. Remember that this is the cubes formulas you have already done in previous exercise. You have, this is first formula m cube, m minus, and this m square m plus, there is no 2 in here, m plus 1, m square minus m plus 1. Now the second term we have m power 4. Now second we have to find formula, again a square minus b square formula, break it 2 into 2, m square minus 1, m square 1. Now you can break it all again, m minus m, m plus 1, m square 1. Now we have third formula, m cube minus 1. So m cube is the same formula, m minus 1, m square plus m plus 1. Now collect the terms. Now we have common term m minus 1, m plus 1. Now we remember that these are the last parts. You have to m minus 1, m minus 1, and m minus 1, m minus 1, take common. The second term is m plus 1. M plus 1 is present here and where, and you have to take it all. The remaining term, m square m plus m, and you have to take it m square minus m plus 1, and m square plus m. This term will also take out. So in LCM you have to remember that you have to take a common and uncommon. This is your output. You have to take it from here, and you have to take from here all terms you have to take. Remember that you have to take all terms, but you don't take repeating terms. Repeating terms means if there are 2, you will take only one times. Now you can see that you have m minus 1 in all three, so you will take 1. Now you m square plus m in only 2, you will take 1 times m plus 1. This is also in 1, and this m square plus 1 is also m plus 1 is only present in 1, so we will take this is your LCM. Question number 14. Now 14 question again is this type of middle term breaking. You have these three polynomials. Now this is, you will take x square common, x plus 2 will be remaining minus 1, you have to take x plus 2, take x plus 2 common, you have x square minus 1 x plus, now again a square minus b formula breaking x minus 1 and x plus 1. Now second x, you have these are the factors we have. Now second x square minus x will give you middle term make 2 and 1. Simply you have to take minus 2 and plus 1 as your factor, so x minus 2 and plus 1 will be your factors. Now a square minus b, this 4 break it 2 square and x minus 2 and x plus 2. Now the common and uncommon parts are x minus 2 is common, in not common only here x plus 2 is common, so take 1 time x plus 2 and the remaining part x plus 1 x plus 1, so take all parts your LCM. Now question 15, again you have three terms. Now factorization, you will get x minus 4 x plus 5, you have to take plus 5 and minus 4 as a factor, and then you have to take both minus factors, minus 6 and minus 10, so you have x minus 6 x minus 4 x minus 6 as factor. LCM, what is common and what is uncommon, x plus 5, there is nothing common, all three you have to take x minus 6, x minus 6, x minus 4 common between 2, take 1 times, and x plus 5 are common between 2 and take it 1 times. So this is your answer. This is the end of exercise 4.4 LCM solution.